Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm gonna give you an overview of this Ortho Fire Ants Unlifer, if you know what I'm talking about. So if you have something that looks like this, these little guys, oh man, what a pest they are. You take this, dust it, it's like a dust, and you put it all over where these things are, and it says that it does what it needs to do within minutes. All over. It says don't do it where the ground's too wet and don't water afterwards. It says don't disturb. Just let it do its thing. I don't know if it attracts them or what. But we're gonna come back to this and see what happens after it's done doing its thing. All right, well, it's been about, I'd say 18 hours from the time this was put down, and there is not a live ant in sight. So I would say that this definitely works. It says it does its thing within minutes. I don't know about that, unless maybe you coat it and it's just white like snow. But the way I put it down here, took about 18 hours, well, at least that's the time I checked it. And so yeah, you're good to go. Hopefully that answers any question you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.